Alexa, Happy Fire Alarm Friday.
Happy Fire Alarm Friday, everyone.
Happy Fire Alarm Friday, and welcome to System Test 15, the first system test, sans troubles. Yes, as you can see, for once in its life with me, this panel is free of troubles. I have gone through and fixed each and every one of them, and now we can finally display the banner that has been hiding all this time. So I'll walk you through some of the changes that I've made and how I got those troubles cleared away. You may or may not like my methodology in doing so, however, strictly for the purposes of these videos, I believe that we will be just fine for now with these band-aid solutions here. So anyway, as you can see, the annunciator shows that the system is all normal. We'll go ahead and go over the devices, and then I'll talk about the changes to the panel. So to start here, for the pull station, we have a Cerberus Pyrotronics MS-151. We've seen this earlier in one of the previous videos. I brought it back here because I have the alarms that came with this device on the system as well. Up here we have a Gentex GX90. This is the non-ADA variant, and this particular strobe does flash at a decent rate. The only downside is that it's a frosted strobe and does not have bright enough flash there to be ADA compliant either. So this one will be here with us for this system test as well. Moderator alarm is still up there, nothing really going on there, and then nothing on the blank cover plate here. So let's jump on over to the panel and take a look at some of the things that I've done to help fix the troubles here. So over on the panel side, we've got a couple things that have changed that have allowed us really to clear up all of the troubles. If you recall, the troubles listed were a no battery trouble, a zone 5 fault, and then a NAC 3 and NAC 4 fault. So there were a total of 4 troubles on the system there that I have gone through and corrected here. So to address the NAC faults and the zone faults, I went on Amazon and purchased terminal blocks that'll cover these areas. One of the original black ones is up here at the top for NACs 3 and 4. However, I have put one down here on the resettable, non-resettable power there. So the auxiliary power finally has its own block, and then the AND bus no longer needs to worry about losing its block. So I have enough of these 4-pin terminal blocks. And then I also got a 10-pin terminal block to cover the zone module here. So that whole input board is all set, and now I can finally resistor off zone 5. I do also have a 9-pin block coming for the relay board. That should be coming here sometime tomorrow from what Amazon is telling me. So on Fire Alarm Friday itself here, I'm recording this on Thursday. But that should be here soon, and then we'll be able to have all of the relays in use and get the moderator alarm up and running again. I'll have to figure out a method for activation, but it'll also allow me to jump on and then put the voice evac chip back on whenever I'd like to do that. As far as the battery trouble goes, and I know that Robert from Aslan Fire Safety is going to hang me from a tree for this, I am using the non-resettable power with the battery charger turned off. It is managing to clear the trouble at this time. I know I've said in previous videos that it's not something that I want to do long term, and that still stands, but this, for the purposes of this video, that's what we'll be doing here. Eventually I will get batteries that will be used only during system tests. The other thing is I also do not want to be purchasing a battery harness that costs $20. That's a complete ripoff. So I don't believe I'll be spending that much on a Firelight genuine battery harness, but for the time being, this solution will work. So we've got the display here and everything. So I guess we should just head on over and activate the system. Yep, I love seeing that system all normal. So then let's go ahead and give the MS-151 a pull here. System set on March time, and yeah, there's not much else to say. So let's go. all I have to say is I have completely forgotten just how loud the GX90 truly is. I made the dumb mistake of not wearing hearing protection in this particular video, so this is going swimmingly for me. So as you can see, it's set up for audible silence there, just kind of blinking away. Camera's barely capturing it. Yeah, it seems like I'm kind of out of sync here, at least from my preview. There we go. Now you're kind of catching it. So yeah, strobe's flashing away, not very bright at all. So let's go ahead and reset the pulse station here. As you can hear, the little piezo horn is getting some sort of power back from the panel. I'm not quite sure from what, but it's there. Okay. And we'll go ahead and reset from the annunciator here. And for the first time, we don't have to press acknowledge to clear all the troubles out. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump over to the panel again, and we will change the coding options. Okay, so we're back over at the panel here. Let's go ahead and go into programming mode. And once again, no password for you. Go into the next, NAC 2, enabled. Let's go with temporal. Oh, that's right, I don't have to acknowledge. And we'll go ahead and do the drill button from the panel here. Oops. I don't want to get any closer to it, it's very loud. Device is just very shrill. Now, we're going to do something here that I've never done before, but now that I have the terminal blocks to do so, we'll do this little thing here. I do not recommend at all whatsoever doing this in the manner in which I am about to perform it here on video. However, this is what I'm going to be doing for the sake of the video. We are going to put all 5 zones in alarms without an initiating device on each and every one. We'll basically just be jumping the zone contacts here from the terminal block. So I was preparing this little wire here for that. So basically what we're going to do is kind of like we did in System Test 8. I believe that was the voice evac system test, and we were jumping various zones there and putting them into alarm or supervisory depending on what it was doing. So let me just make sure I got a good focus here. Yeah, sorry, it's going to be kind of shaky here. And let's go ahead and jump one zone at a time. Okay, that's zone 1. Zone 2. I want to make sure I don't jump 2 zones. Oh, I forgot. Zone 3 is supervisory. Let's see. Yeah, Zone 3 is still moderator alarm supervisory. So, yeah, I guess it didn't put that one in alarm. That one is my bad. So we'll put Zone 4. There. Now all 5 zones are reporting an alarm. So as we can see, bedroom pull station, Zone 1. Let's see. Hallway pull station, Zone 2, which is no longer out there, or at least not functional. Unused zone, Zone 4. And unused zone, Zone 5. And then, of course, the supervisory on 3, because that was the model arm there. And then the NACs are silenced. So yeah, NACs 2, 3, and 4 are all enabled again. Or 3 and 4 are enabled again, and they're both silenceable, so they'll stop when the system stops. So yeah, all of the devices are now in alarm, or all the zones are. So we'll go ahead and reset again. And then let's go back into programming mode. And I suppose, because this is a system test, let's see. Yeah, I guess we'll put it on steady here. And you can enjoy the pain of my ears and the mistakes that I have made. So let's hit the drill button. Okay, that's all I needed of that. Yeah, no hearing protection was a big mistake for this video. Alright, and there is that. And I guess we can go ahead and finish up the video now that we are all done shredding my ears. And I left it on continuous, so I'm probably going to find out in a very harsh manner that I've left that there, but we're going to leave that alone. Alexa, that's the end of the video.
Goodbye, everyone.
The panel is now off, and we are done with this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. I apologize for missing last week once again. Just a very, very busy school and work schedule that did not really allow me to record. It's kind of a difficult process every week, being able to put out a video and combine 18 credits as well as a part-time job. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.